Assalamualaikum and good mornings. Hope you all are fine, viewers. Today I will show you how you can create animation of multiple images. Here we go. Click on videos, select the resolution, go to upload image if you have your own images, or if you want to search from the gallery of the Canva, you will go to elements. I have already selected from the elements. So I will select images from here. First of all, I will select this image and reduce its size and place it over here. Now I will select the second image of this one and put exactly on. Set it according to this image. Now the third image, in the similar way, I will reduce its size equal to the above image. And the fourth image is here. The last one is this one. I have set their sizes, and now I place them evenly in this way. I have to a little bit shorter this image to place the all images. Four images we can adjust easily in a frame, but I want to place the five so that you can learn how we can adjust the five images as well. Now, one, two, three, four, and five. Group it all and go to the space evenly and horizontally. So, space becomes even in all the five images. Now, I will group them all. Now, the time to expand these images. whole canvas like this one, like this. Slightly second image is here, and almost the even space is there. Now go to elements and select circle shape, change the color to white, place in a corner, expand it to the whole like this, and little bit like this. Duplicate this and place it at the bottom. This area for the text, so I will go to text, write a heading over there. This is Masjid-e-Nabawi, and it is in Saudi Arabia. Now you can change the font style. I will select the Comic Sans and this one. Comic. Now duplicate this page, drag the second image, and this is Blue Mosque. It is in Turkey, and like this. Duplicate the page, and in this way the third one is Faisal Mosque, Pakistan. Again duplicate, and the last one is this Sheikh Zayed, UAE. Now the time to apply for the transition. We apply the match and move transition, increase the duration, scroll down, apply between all pages, and check out the result. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, share my video, subscribe my channel, and Allah Hafiz till my next video.